Hi everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to walk through a very common task, connecting a custom domain from Godaddy to your GitHub page's website. This is a great way to make your project or portfolio look professional. It might sound complicated, but I'll break it down into simple steps for you. Let's dive right in. First, you need to tell GitHub about your custom domain. Go to your GitHub repository that you want to publish. Click on the Settings tab. On the left side menu, find the Pages section and click on it. Here, you will see a field for Custom Domain. This is where you will type your domain name. It's best practice to use the www version, so type in www.yourdomain.com, replacing yourdomain.com with your actual domain. Then, click the Save button. After you save, GitHub will show you the DNS records you need to set up. It will ask you to configure 4 records and 1 name record. Keep this browser tab open, as you'll need this information for the next part. Now, let's head over to Godaddy. Log into your Godaddy account and go to your My Products page. Find the domain you want to use and click on the DNS button next to it. This takes you to the DNS management page. Here, you might see a lot of existing records. We only need to edit or add a few specific ones. Let's start with the A records. You may have an existing A record with the name or host at. If you do, you should delete it, as well as any other old A records pointing to other hosting services. You need to create 4 separate A records. For each one, set the name or host field to. This symbol simply means it applies to your root domain. For the value or points to field, you will use the specific IP addresses provided by GitHub. You will create 1 A record for each of these 4 IPs. 185.199.108.153, 185.199.109.153, 185.199.110.153, and 185.199.111.153. You can leave the TTL, or time to live, at its default setting. Next, we need to set up the name record. This record directs traffic from www.yourdomain.com to your GitHub page's site. Look for an existing name record with the name or host set to www. You will need to edit this record. Change its value or points to field to your default GitHub page's URL, which is your username.github.io. Make sure to replace your username with your actual GitHub username. After you have added the 4 A records and updated the name record, save all your changes in Godaddy. The final step is to wait and verify. DNS changes are not instant. It can take anywhere from a few minutes to a full 48 hours for these changes to update across the internet. You can go back to your GitHub page's settings page and refresh it periodically. Once it's ready, you'll see a green message saying your site is published at your custom domain. A very important last step here is to check the box that says Enforce HTTPS. This will secure your website with a free SSL certificate, which is essential for modern sites. And that's all there is to it. You have successfully connected your Godaddy domain to your GitHub page's project, giving it a clean, professional address. I really hope this guide was clear and helped you out. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video valuable, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel for more straightforward tech tutorials. We'll see you in the next one.